Hi, I'm Rochelle, and the agency that I'm completing my hours and field placement at is an agency that works on eliminating the stigma and spread of HIV and AIDS. So, what I'll be doing is working with this specific community as well as an LGBTQ plus population on getting accurate treatment and good quality treatment within their communities. So what I'll be more specifically working on is helping the counseling department on counseling and the therapeutic process. And so I'll be working under their LMSW and also their LCSW, who complete all of the health assessments and all of the therapeutic processes there. So what I'm hoping to get out of this field experience is to get more clinical work under my belt. And so as a person who is wanting to pursue a more clinical route, I hope to get these experiences and awareness of the interventions that we are educated about at Widener. So hopefully I can do and practice more theory and interventions that we've learned in Widener. What I expect to get out of this field placement, again, is more clinical work. And I think it'll be different than my generalist placement because of my role and having that more interaction and therapeutic process interaction with the clients. So at my first placement, I was able to help people with mental health illnesses and concerns who are incarcerated transition to the outside community and really getting them adjusted to where they're living at and trying to find um, basic living necessities and addressing those barriers um, that are there when you're out of incarceration. So this placement that I'm doing my final hours at is a place where they do more therapeutic process in helping their clients. So they'll go over like health assessments and things like that. And so hopefully I can have a larger caseload. In my first placement, I only had about 3 clients. And so hopefully I can have a larger caseload so I can see the diversity pretty much in the populations that I'm going to help. But also just making sure that I use a trauma-informed practice during this whole field experience. And hopefully we're all able to connect sooner than later, and I look forward to meeting with you all.